Alex, and this is Iron Line Armory. Today we're going to be comparing some common pistols today. Sorry for the background noise, somebody's loading a 12-gauge shotgun. But Leah, if you want to stick around here so we can get a good look at the guns. Today we're going to be reviewing the Smith Wesson M&P Shield Plus. One of my favorite carries, the FN 509 Tactical, with the Hollison 407C raised Trijicon night sights with an Olight PL3R Valkyrie out front with a comp. Then we have the SIG Sauer. Oh wow, the fiber optic sight is coming out of this. Congratulations, SIG. You are a premium pistol builder. The P365 with the Romeo X, I'm pretty sure, on top. And then we're going to be, is my flashlight on? No. Yeah. And then my all-time favorite, the Gen 5 Glock 19. It's just got some Amiraglow Bold night sights on it with a TLR1 with 5-round extensions. Looks very nice. This is what I carry on duty. So we're gonna start off. We're gonna start off with a 5-round accuracy test to see how the pistols perform. This fucking ski mask is getting all in my mouth. First, we're gonna start off with the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield. Let's get it. So, most FBI statistics state that any self-defense shooting happens within a range of 3 to 7 yards. So we're going to cut it cool, and we're going to do a solid 5 yards. So, approximately 5 yards. We're going to just go slow, methodical, kind of get an accuracy test on the gun first. And first up will be the M&P Shield Knife. I don't have any ear protection on. Good job. That was too late. So if you come up and you see we're shooting a little left, that's going to be a shooter fault. It is a very, very small, compact gun, so not a lot of grip availability there, but that's on me. It's nobody's fault but my own. So let's step back up, grab some ear protection, and we'll move over to the FN. I can hear clearly now. Where is the magazine? Oh, there. FN 509 Tactical, Hollison 407C, approximately 5 yards. Oh my god. But the first one we snatched a lot, then we come back up and we redeemed ourselves here. So we'll step back down, we'll grab that 365 and we'll get onto that. I don't know, I'm kind of liking the fuse. I'm not a SIG Sauer fan, but I don't think it's terrible. 365 fuse, 5 rounds, approximately 5 yards. Step up. All 5 in the center. It is a smooth shooting gun. It's just really thin, so it feels really weird in my hands. Well, not very many comments on the fuse. I'm starting to like the gun a bit, I guess, but we'll see. On for the Glock. Glock 19, Gen 5, TLR 1 out front. Let's see what we got. Approximately 5 yards. One nice big gaping hole. I shoot the Glock the most out of all of the pistols. I'm a lot more familiar with the Glock than anything else, in a sense. But what we're going to do now is we're going to get a little closer and kind of do a sporadic, I guess, magazine dump, you would say, as in a real assailant. You're not just going to sit there, fire off one round, pause, one round, pause. We're gonna get in here and see if we can actually do some damage at a decent fire. Awesome. Alright, let's go back down range. We got all the guns loaded back up. We're gonna start from a low ready position, in a sense of, because I don't have holsters for everything. So we're going to start in a low ready position, as in we're drawing the gun and our hands are marrying together. Alright. 5 yards, gun's coming out. We're marrying. Here, we're punching gun. Gun bounces everywhere. It's a small gun here, but we got two, not too bad. And this grouping here was a much tighter grouping out of the 5 rounds. Out of a very small, compact gun. I like the gun though. I think it's an awesome pocket carry. You know, that in a coat pocket or something. I think it's legit. I think it's awesome. All right, we're gonna move over to the FN 509. Alright. Alright, FN 509 tactical, approximately 5 yards, 5 rounds, gone. In, 2, starting again, low ready, hands are married, we're out of the holster, and we are hot. Come up. We shoot left a little bit, brought it back up, then we started to go. On a rise off to the right, I feel like I had a little too much finger on the trigger as I'm pulling, which the FN has the heaviest trigger out of them all. I think they come in at approximately 8 pounds from factory. This is a stock trigger, it's not an Apex trigger. So, but all in all, a lot more controllable than the Smith Wesson. All right, let's get back down. We'll get the fuse. All right, 365 fuse. 5 round dump. Approximately 5 yards. Oh my God. I was all over the place. A lot of snatching. A lot of snatching. Not happy with myself on that. I kind of do. All right. Well. Get back. Five round jump, approximately 5 yards. Started off low on the first punch. I don't even think my sights was lined up then. I was just trying to get the round out down range. Then we come up, we're shooting a little high left there. Now, I don't know how other shooters are, but me, whenever I'm shooting in the heat of the moment like this, I can't tell you if my sights are lined up The only thing I know is the gun's coming out, and I'm going down range, squeezing. I don't know. That's how I shoot. I don't know how a lot of other people shoot, but that's it. And about 15 yards, and see what we're rocking with all the time. All right, Smith & Wesson E9 Field Plus, approximately 15 yards. We're gonna go a little slow here. Looks like we definitely shot a little high. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh. Did I miss? 2, 4, 6, 7. I think I did. I think I missed 2. I missed 2 at 15. Wow. All right. No bueno. Let's get the F in. FN is ready to rock. FN 509 Tactical. 5 rounds, 15 volts. Such a soulful shooter. All right. Let's go. Go ahead and grab it. Huh. Damn, I suck. All right. There's no way. SIG 365, 15 yards, 5 rounds. We're definitely low and to the left. I can see that from here. There's even no reason to go. We're low and to the left. Low. Ah. Glock 19, Gen 5, 15 yards, 5. It's like I went out wide. 2, 3, 4. And messing around. Dog shit shooting for me today. We're gonna redeem ourselves with the FN then. I can't. I think the optics is right off. Okay, yeah, we redeemed ourselves. Oh, I think this was from the FN on the other one. I shot way less. Looks like we got 2 here, 1 here, 1 here. That might be it there, or that might be it. I'm thinking we have 2 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 dead center here. All in all, though, I think I might be biased. Call me biased. Or I might be a shitty shooter. Or I'm just comfortable with the Glock 19. But to me, the Glock 19 still reigns supreme. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to approximately 7 yards and we're going to do a full dump, all mags, and see where we're at. 2, full magazine loaded, 10 rounds in the Smith Wesson, none in the pipe, so 10 rounds. Approximately, we're gonna take it down to 5 yards and see what the Smith Wesson M&P 10 115 grain, or M&P 10, M&P 9 115 grain, 10 rounds. Oh, stovepipe. Clear. Bang. Even clearing the malfunction, not bad. We only had 9 rounds on target. 2, 4, 6, 8. Huh? 2, oh, that's 2. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9 rounds on target. One stovepipe and ejected whenever we. Oh, where is that round? Lost call. Never gonna find it. Alright, I'm gonna kick over to the FN 509, 17 round magazine. Pipe. Where's my optic? There it is. I'm not even looking. I'm not even looking at the back. I'm just building. Looks like we got a lot of left. Had a lot of finger on the trigger there. Probably about yay much. Too much. My light's on. The gun runs awesome. I will say that. There's nothing you can tell me different. Really left. 365 fuse. 5 yards. 17 rounds. I'm not gonna lie, the fuse fucking eats. Yeah, that pistol is fucking badass. I can't lie. 5 rounds, 15 yards. We absolutely fucking center punched that to oblivion. You know, I think my opinion on SIG is changing pretty rapidly. And this might be a badass gun. Alright. Rounds as the standard factory magazine would. We're gonna dump 15, 5 yards. Glock 19 Gen 5. Still not bad shooting. I don't think so. I don't think so at all. A little left. We got some shots dead center. A little high left. But man, that 365 is the shit. I don't know what else. In my honest opinion, if you're gonna pick up a gun, if you got the money, the 365 is the biz. I don't know what SIG did there. They did good. That's my first time shooting a 365. Especially the fuse. The gun rocks, man. And the proof is in the pudding. I don't know. It's a lot different from the FN for sure. The FN shoots like a, big chunky gun, but it's really not. It's a 9mm, but this is a 9mm. But this thing, it just. But still, my all-time favorite will be the Gen 5 Glock 19. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. My background in shooting is. I've spent 3 years in the field of corrections. Right now, I started off as a state corrections officer, and now I work for a sheriff's office. I work in their jail, and that's my background in shooting. Yeah. Thank you guys. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe, like, comment, and I want to do more. Peace.